everything changes.
Alright, to take out your taillights, you put in these LED reverse lights. Just gonna take out these two bolts right here. It's just a star bit. Then after taking out those two screws, your taillight's just gonna come right out. And you're gonna want to locate your reverse bulb right here. Turn that out. It's a stock halogen bulb right there. So just pull it out. And take your LED bulb and put that one in. And you just reverse the process, stick it back in, and that's it. Just repeat on the other side.